How are you? Good. Today we have to discuss about the circle. About the circle, I have sent so many videos, and this is also one video of circle, and circle also very important chapter. Understood? Here one question is there. Prove that circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0 thus at the point 3 comma minus 1. Okay, understood. As you know about the equation of circle, since equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. When we will expand this equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, then we will get like this one: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Understood? Because about this formula already I have told in previous video. But you see this question here, we have to prove that two circles are there. Thus at the external point and internal point. Understood? It means if here first circle and second circle. Understood? Suppose here C1 radius R1 and this is C2 radius R2 and point P is the tangential point. You can see here point P is the tangential point. C1 is the center of first circle, C2 is the center of second circle, and C1P is the radius of first circle and C2P is the radius of second circle. Understood? If C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, then externally touch circle touch at external point. Therefore, circle touch at external point. Understood? But if suppose here C1 C2 and R1 and the capital R is small r, C1 C2 is equal to what? C1 C2 is equal to what? R minus either bigger, and but if circle touch at internal point, internal means this is a point P here, clear? C1 C2 is equal to what? C1P means R1 minus C2P means R2. Understood? Then this is condition if the distance between center C1 C2 is equal to R1 R2, then circle touch at external point. But if C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2, then circle touch at internal point. This is condition. Understood? Now in this question, prove that circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0 thus at the point 3 comma minus 1. Then if x square y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now comparing given equation to this equation, then 2g is equal to minus 4 and g is equal to minus 2 and 2f is equal to what? 6, the f is equal to 3. Therefore, center of this circle is what? Minus g minus f is equal to and 2 minus 3. It is clear? Very good. And radius is equal to what? Under root g square plus f square minus c. It means g means what? 2. 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Minus what is value of c? You can see here c is equal to what? C is equal to here 8. Understood? C is equal to 8. Now here 9 minus 8 1 under root 5. This is radius. Understood? It means center of this circle is minus 2 minus 3. Suppose minus 2 minus 3. Understood? And radius is equal to what? Radius is equal to means R1 is equal to under root 5. Understood? Once more, I am going to explain here. And this equation of circle, first of all compare this equation to this equation of circle. We will find g and f and c here. Then we will get c is equal to 2 minus 3 and r is equal to root 5. Now find the other center and radius x square plus y square minus 10x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. Then what? 2g is equal to what? Minus 10, g is equal to minus 5. And 2f is equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3. Center is equal to minus g minus f is equal to what? 5 and 3. Radius r is equal to what? Under root g square means 25, f square means 3, 9 minus f 14 is equal to what? 25, 34 minus 14 is equal to what? 20. 20 is equal to what? 2 under root 5. Understood? What is the coordinate of C2? C2 is what? 5 comma 3 and radius R2 is equal to what? 2 under root 5. Understood? Now find the C1 C2. C1 C2 means what? C1 C2 means distance between. Now C1 C2 is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. It means 5 minus 2, 3 square plus y2 minus means what? 6, 6 square. Here 9 plus 36 is equal to what? 45. 3 under root 5. Understood? Now we can check here. What is value of C1 C2? C1 C2 is equal to 3 under root 5. And what is value of R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2 means what? Under root 5 plus 2 under root 5. That is what? 3 under root 5. Clear? Since 3 under root 5 is equal to 3 under root 5, that is C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Therefore, given circles touch to each other at external point. Understood? Given circle touch to each other at external point. Any doubt? Any confusion? No? Very good. Once more here. First equation, second equation. Then, after that, how we can find the point? How we can find the point? For finding the point is very, very simple here. Suppose here, second circle here, C1, C2. What is coordinate of C1? 2, comma minus 3. Coordinate of C2, 5, comma 3. And here, radius is equal to what? This is under root 5. And this is equal to what? 2 under root 5. Then, this is point P. Let P is x comma y. Understood? X comma y. Then C1 P ratio C2 P is equal to what? Under root 5 ratio 2 under root 5. That is 1 ratio 2. This is value of M1 is to M2. Now x1, y1, x2, y2, xy. We know about the section formula. X is equal to what? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. X is equal to M1 means what? 1. X1 x2 means what? 5 plus M2 means what? 2 into, and x1 means what? 2 upon 1 plus 2, that is 5 plus 4, 3. 9 by 3 is equal to 3. And y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 is equal to what? 1 into x1 y1 means what? Minus 3 plus m2 means what? 2 and y1 means what? Minus 3. Clear? m1 y2. m1 means m is given 1. y2 means what? 3 plus m2. m2 is what? 2 and y1 means minus 3 upon what? m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. 3 minus 6 by 3 and minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So what is the coordinate of this point? This coordinate of what? X comma y, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. Now you can see here, in this way we can find the tangential point. Understood? What we can find? Tangential point. Understood? Okay, now we'll complete this question. This is very important for you. And homework question means you will take any one question from the book. Understood? Okay, thank you very much.